with our maid of honor. Wala naman akong masyadong message na kasi alam na nila kung ano yung gusto ko sa kanila. Ano lang? Ano? Yung ano lang, sana huwag silang mawalan ng respeto sa isa't isa. Yun yung mahalaga. Tapos, huwag mawala ng love. Tapos sigaw. Yun lang. Okay? This time, ang ating best man, nagaling pa ng taping ng Machete. Oh, I'm so sorry. Do you speak Tagalog? You can understand both. Okay, so Tagalog tayo. Huwag na maging papahirapan ba natin yung sarili natin, di ba? Okay. So, okay, sir, are you married? Yes, your families are here. Where do you live? Where? Abroad. Wow! Okay, that's why you look no.
Mua.
No. Maui! Maui! Okay, so now, ano pong mensahe ninyo para sa newlywed couple?
All I want to say, I'm so happy for both of you that it finally came true. I just want to say that just stay true to each other. And, we went a long way, and that's the time. Thanks, brother. Love you both.
Yes, sir. You went where? Where? You went where? You went long. Okay, so your name is Anthony, Sir Anthony. Okay, so everyone, I want everyone to please raise all your glasses. At sabay-sabay po natin, itaas ang ating mga glasses. At sabay-sabay po natin isigaw!